In this lecture, we will see how to simulate electric circuit using LT-Spice. So the first step is download and install LT-Spice in your system. So you can just Google download LT-Spice and you can go to this website www.unlock.com. There you have the option to download LT-Spice for different versions. So you select you download the one which is compatible to your system. Now save the file. So you will be having the exe file saved. You run the file so that you can have the LT-Spice installed on your system. Now after installing the LT-Spice, you can open the LT-Spice. So you will be getting a screen like this. Now you go to file and select new schematic. So in this new schematic, you can draw any circuit and you can simulate the circuit over here. Now we will see the simple circuit. I am going to simulate the circuit using LT-Spice. So my aim is to find out the voltage V0. V0 is a voltage across a 2 ohm resistor. And again that I have to verify it using the superposition theorem. So the first one is I have to simulate it using LT-Spice. So I need a 2 ohm resistor, then 3 ohm and 5 ohm resistor. I am going to place this resistor in LT-Spice. Now on the top menu you can see there is a option resistor symbol there. So you can just click on this, you will get a resistor. If you click on the screen once, it will be placed once. Click twice, it will be placed twice. Now I have one resistor, then I have two resistors. That resistors are in the horizontal, that is aligned horizontally. So for that I can just press Ctrl R so that it will be rotated once. Then if I press once, it will be placed over there. If at this position I am going to press again once, that will be placed over there. Okay, similarly you can place it any number of times. If you want to delete it, here this is the now you can see this resistor sign is there. I want to escape from this, just press escape. So it will be you can escape from that symbol and you will get again this plus sign. Then in order to delete, there is an option, that is a scissors, that is when you go to that it will show cut. You can just click on that, a scissors symbol will appear. If you click it once, that will be deleted. Again you press escape so that you move to the previous menu. Now as in your figure there are two resistors, so I am three resistors total, so I need one more resistor. I just select the resistor, press Ctrl R so that it will be rotated and placed once. Okay, so in order to escape I just press escape so that I escape from that symbol of resistor. Now I need a current source. Here some of the elements are already shown here. If that element is not shown, you can directly go to the edit menu. Then there is an option component. You press the component and there you can search any of the sources that you want or any of the elements that you want. I just select current, just type current. So I get the symbol for the current source now. Okay, I select current. So this is the current source I needed. And in my circuit diagram, this current source is pointed upwards. So I need to rotate. So I press Ctrl R. It will be rotated once. Then again Ctrl R. So you get the current source pointing up. Click once so that it will be placed once. Then again escape. And I need an voltage source. Again I go to edit component, type voltage. You will get the DC voltage source here. Press OK. Now you have the voltage source, positive up and negative down. You can place it there. Okay. Now you press escape. You can just press escape. You can just press escape so that the screen will be, you will get this plus sign. And there are some options, zoom in, zoom out, all options are there. So you can just try it so that you can see your circuit in full. Now you want to wire the circuit. Here there is a symbol there. You can select that. So you will get two cross lines like this. I want to wire the circuit. So I start from here. At this point I have to stop. Then again from here I need a connection over here. So wherever you need a connection, you just click over there. So from here I am starting over, and here I just click. So I got the connection. So from here I need a connection till that. Then from there need a connection. So just click on the points wherever you need a connection. And here also from here to here. Now the lower portion, I stop over here. Then I have a connection over here. Then I start from this point. Then again I start from this point. Can have a connection. So this cross lines actually shows the exact horizontal and vertical points at which the connection is made. Now you have all the connections. Now one thing you have to place over here, that is the ground. So you just press escape. I again move to the previous menu. Then take the ground, and you have to place the ground. So I take this as the ground point. Again press escape. Again I connect using a wire. This is my ground. Okay, now I have all the circuits. Okay, now I have all the circuits. I have to enter the value. Just see your figure. This is 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. So I have to enter the value 2 ohm. So just right click over here. Press here and right click over here. You can enter the value of the resistor 2. Resistance in ohm, 2 ohm. Press OK. Then right click over here. Enter the value of the resistor as 3 ohm. Okay. Then the other value of the resistor was 5 ohm. 5 ohm. So again right click. Enter the value as 5 ohm. 5 ohm. Okay. Now the current source value is 8 ampere. So right click. Enter the DC value in ampere, that is 8 ampere, and the voltage source value was 20 volt. Right click, enter the DC value in volt is 20 volt. Now you have all the values entered. Now you can simulate the circuit. So in order to simulate the circuit, go to simulate, run. Then you have to give the stop time. I am going to run this circuit for 10 milliseconds, so I give 10 m, and times to start data from 0 itself. So I just give start time and stop time and press OK. Now you will get a sheet like this, in which you have the time marked from 0 millisecond to 10 millisecond. Now what I need is the voltage at this point. So when you move the cursor, you can see when you come over here, you will get a symbol like this. Notice the symbol. When you move closer to it, you will get a symbol like this. So this actually represents a voltage, and this symbol actually represents a current. So when I press over here, I will get the voltage value. So you see the voltage that you obtain is 12 volt. Now V0 you can easily find out by simulating the circuit. The V0 is 12 volt. If you want to find out the current, what you know is you just move over here. So you will get just this symbol and you will press. So just clicking on it, you will get the current value. The current value is shown in the blue color. The voltage is shown in the green color. So just by simulating the circuit, you can find out the voltage and current. Now what you wanted is, I obtained the value for V out. I have to verify the superposition theorem. Now you know how will you verify the superposition theorem. So the first case, you will take the 8 ampere source. You will take the 8 ampere source, and this voltage source you have to make it a 0. That means you have to short circuit it. Okay, so first you consider 8 ampere source and this one you short circuit and find out what is the V0. So you again go to the same circuit, so you can close this waveform, you can again maximize this, take the same circuit and you can consider this current source, and this one actually you can delete this one, you can take this and delete this one, and you can short circuit this, right? Use the wire, and you can short circuit this and find out what is the current flowing, what is the voltage across this resistor, 2 ohm resistor. So you will be getting the value. Now you open circuit this 8 ampere and consider the 20 volt source. Again you find out what is the current through this resistor R1, that is 2 ohm. Then you take the sum of these two and see you are getting the same answer, that is 12 volt. That is how you simulate the circuit using LT spice. So it is very simple. You have to make the schematic first and simulate it. Then you obtain the voltage as well as the current. So what you have done in network theory, all the calculations, all the mesh analysis, loop analysis, everything what you have done using a large set of equations, it can be easily find out by using this LT spice. So hope this one is clear to you.